CapCut has made it in a way that you cannot download your video from CapCut without this watermark showing, except you're using the Pro version. In this video, I'm going to show you easy ways you can take away this CapCut watermark from your video without paying a dime. If you want to know how I'm able to achieve this, stay glued to the end while I walk you down how to achieve this.
So what you're going to do is you click on your CapCut app. So we are already on our CapCut app. You can see over here where we have new project. So you click on new project. So now let us make use of any video. Okay, let's make use of this video, 31 seconds. You click on the video, click on the video, you click on add one. Now, after doing this, you can see we have our CapCut watermark over here. We have our CapCut watermark. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this AI Ultra HD. AI Ultra HD, you click on it. Now you can see below here we have watermark. Okay, so you tap on it. Now you can see we have 6 options. We have visible, hidden, upper left, upper right, and all of that. Now, if you're someone who have not exhausted your chances, CapCut usually give 4 chances, okay, to download the video without a watermark. You just click on hidden, okay, that is if you've not exhausted yours. You click on hidden. Now back, you come back. Now you can see the watermark is no longer at the top of the video or below the video. All right, but that's not all. You're just going to go out because we have the Pro up here. So you cannot download the video without paying as long as there's a Pro up here. So what you're going to do, you're going to go out, go back, and you tap on new project again. Now use the video. Tap on the video, add. Now you can see it. The watermark is not on the video, and the Pro that was up here is no longer here. Now you can go ahead and edit your video and export. Okay. So the next step we're going to do is you click on new project. Now you click on the video we want to be using. We're going to make use of same video. You click on add, the same step. Now you can see we have the CapCut watermark above here. So now what you're going to do is after you finish editing your video, all right, after you're done editing your video, if it's for YouTube, so what you're going to do is you go look for aspect ratio below. Okay, now you can see aspect ratio over here. You click on aspect ratio. If it's a YouTube video, you're going to make it 9.16. That is for TikTok. You make it 9.16. Okay, now you can see what it looks like. Now what you're going to do now is to click here, then you're going to export. Make sure you finish editing your video first. Okay, now you're going to export the video. Now let's export and see what it's going to look like. All right. I just hope all this noise are not into my video. That's why I'm so mad. All right. Now the next thing we're going to click on is done. Okay. Now after that, you're just going to go to our InShot. Okay. You tap on your InShot app, InShot. Okay, and you click on video. Okay. Now you have your new project over here. You click on new project, new rather. Now this is our video we downloaded from CapCut. Now you tap on it and you click on this green over here. Now this is it. Now it is carrying CapCut watermark and InShot watermark. We are going to take off that of InShot. Okay, it's not a problem. You just tap on it and you click on free remove. Now to some people, CapCut is going to give you adverts to watch. You have no problem. Just watch the advert and the watermark is going to be taken off from your video. But for mine, CapCut no longer give me ads anymore. So now this is the video. All right. Now what you're going to do to take off this watermark, okay, you just click on canvas over here. This is canvas. So you click on it. Now you can see it is on 9.16, which is for TikTok. Now you click on 16.9, which is for YouTube. You click on it. Now this is how it is showing. What you're going to do, you're going to drag this over here. Now, have you seen it? Then you click here. Now you can see that your CapCut watermark is no longer on the video. Then the next thing you go ahead to do is to click on export. Okay. Now let's go back to CapCut. Let me show you the next way. The third way you can take off CapCut watermark from your video. Now we are back to CapCut. Now what you do is to click on new project, okay, and click on the video. Let's make use of this video. Add, okay, add one video. Okay, here it is. Now you can see our CapCut watermark. Okay, what you want to make sure you do is you leave space at the top here. Okay, you leave space at the top here. Okay, now what you're going to do next is you're going to tap this video and reduce it a little, bring it down a little. Okay, that's why you should have a lot of space. You should leave space above and beneath, okay, so that when you adjust it, your video won't be too below. Okay, now after you've adjusted this way, so now let's look for background. Now this is background over here. Now don't be mistaken. If you tap on this video like this and it is showing with all this line like this, you might not see the background. Okay, so what you're going to just tap the screen, make sure there's no line on it. Then look at it. You can see the background over here. You tap on background, and what you're going to do, you tap on color. Okay, tap on color. Let's make it white. Tap on white. Now you can see what is going on here. Now the CapCut watermark has been covered. Okay, now we're going to know where we are. Okay, adjust the video to fit in very well. Now you're going to click on export. Okay, make sure you're done with your editing. You click on export. Okay, so we are just going to allow it export. Then we can do the next step. All right. All right, so we've exported our video. You click on done. Okay, now let's go back to InShots. Click on video. Okay, click on new project, and this was the video we just exported from CapCut. Click on it. Okay, now this is the video. You remember we made it 9.16, so you click on canvas, you click on 16.9. Okay, now you adjust it a little. You can see it has occupied the screen. Or if you don't want to do it this way, you go back, you just click on 819. Then what you're going to do next is you move ahead, head, and look for crop. Now you can see crop over here. Then you crop the video, you crop it out. Yes, this is the reason why we added white color at the background, so we can spot out where the CapCut watermark is. Then you click on done. Okay, so you click on done. Okay, so what you're going to do now, okay, you can see how it is. We didn't work on it properly. You just drag it to occupy the screen. Okay, now you can see it. The watermark is off. Then the next thing you can do is to export. Another way you can do that. Okay, let me show you another method. Okay, let's make use of new video. Okay, let's make a new video. Okay, let's pick a video. Okay, let's make use of this video 2 seconds. Okay, I think I have watermark on that video. Let's take it back to YouTube. Okay, 16 points. Okay, now this is it. Now this is the watermark we have below here. Add it down. So what you're going to do is to tap on sticker. Okay, you just click on sticker and you come down here and you can see this subscribe over here. You just use it to cover it. Yeah, have you seen it? Now this is it. The subscribe button have covered it. Now you can see you cannot see it anymore. Okay. Now some people might want to do this on the CapCut app. Even if you apply any sticker on the CapCut app, CapCut did it in a way that no matter the sticker you add from CapCut app, you try to use it to cover the watermark, it will not cover the watermark, it will be transparent. So the only place you can do it is in this InShot app. Okay, you come and cover the watermark. So that is another way you can take off your watermark from CapCut. I also created a video on how you can edit your video to become bright clear, okay, using your CapCut and InShot app. Okay, we have the video over here, so you can click on the video to watch the video. If you've not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification to get notified whenever we drop a new video. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment in the comment section and see you next time on my video.